What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to list an item on the eBay store. It's very easy. Let's check out how to do. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Let's check out. Okay, in order you to make a listing on eBay, you should have an account in the eBay. Okay, for those who don't have an account in the eBay, has to go to ebay.com and click on register. So from here, there's a three-way to register. Basically, two technical way. One using existing account such as Facebook and Google, and the other thing by normally providing your plain username and email and password. Pretty straightforward. Okay. So actually, I do have my eBay account. So let's see how to sell the an item. Okay, there's a two way to go to the listening area. One by clicking my eBay and click on selling. Okay, and secondly, and other way is directly click on the sell button. Okay, it will directly go to the listing page where you wanted to make a list. Okay, from here you have to make a title of the item which you're going to sell. So in my case, as a demonstration purpose, I'm going to sell this kind of laser removal okay, kind of item. To get more tutorials and videos like this, please like and subscribe. Okay, here and click on get start, then click on this continue button. And from here, if you wished, you can spend another $1.50 to make another kind of small title, but in this case I do not require that one. So in my case, the condition should be new. It's depending on your package what you are going to send or your item. If it is used, you may select use. If it is open box, you may select open box. In my case, a new, so I click on new, and now the time to add the photos. Okay, my photos over here, guys. Okay, I have some kind of 5-6 photos. I will select all by pressing Ctrl and clicking the mouse button. Click OK. So it will be gradually upload into the eBay. Pretty straightforward. Okay, 2 more to go. More to go. Okay, and at the moment the main picture is I have selected this one, but still you may change by dragging into the first square box. Okay, like that. So I think this is good. Okay, I will keep as it is. Okay, and you may mention brand, color, blah blah, everything, and the country, obviously I mentioned China, and description. Now you can enter the description. So I do have pre-prepared description. I'm going to copy and paste that into the description box. Here we go. And from here in advance, you can, if you click on advance, you may select the color and the font and etc. Okay, let me make underline of these two. That's fine. Alright, and okay, now under the selling details, the format option, you may have two options: auction style and fixed price. For the auction style, I would do another video tutorial later on, and for this case I'm going to use a fixed price. Okay, So okay, the price going to be, I already decided price 15.95 cent. Click on that one and enter. And quantity I'll mention 3 or 4, it's okay, it's up to you. Fine, and then you have to mention the private listing, that's okay, you can keep as it is. And payment option, you may mention your PayPal account. Okay, return option, I would say 30 days domestic return accepted, and return obviously need to be paid by buyer. International payment 30 days, buyer, that's fine with me. Okay, and here guys, you can generally you can select flat, or you may select have there's a 3 more options, but in this case I'm going to make a flat. Why I'm going to make a flat? Because I can mention same price for all the buyers in where and regardless of geographical conditions. Okay, geographical locations. Okay, here free shipping, that's fine, but the shipping going to be domestic. You can select from here the very options, but in this case I'm going to select standard. Okay, my item coming from China in this case as a demonstration purpose, so I'm going to mention I think this one 11 to 35 days. It's behind off. It's fine. Handling time, basically you can mention 3 days. That's better for your safe side, because sometime you may not able to deliver the item on time, right, due to some unprecedented conditions. You never know, right? Alright. Fine. Sorry, I made the mistake. I did domestic shipping, I can mention not this one. Where is that domestic shipping economy? Yeah, 11 to 23, that's fine. Okay, you can choose whatever you like, so it's okay, it's up to you, that's fine. I mean your item available with you may select very less days than 11 to 23 days, and handling time also you may select as 1 day or 2 days. Okay, that's fine. Okay, international shipping, obviously flat cost to all buyers worldwide, but I may have some exceptions. Choose custom location. Okay, I'm going to say Japan, Australia, Russia, France, Germany, United, Europe, UK, Brazil, Mexico, Canada, US. That's fine. Okay, the service will be standard shipping, economy shipping from China. Alright, fine. Will ship to worldwide, yes, that's fine with me. Will ship to following. That's fine. You may mention the dimension inches by inches also if you wish. In my case I'm not going to mention anything. Exclude, as I said, you may mention some location for the exclusion purpose, because why this list actually been there, because some of the companies, some people, they are not, sometimes the item being delivered really, but they still saying that the item being not delivered. So in that case the seller like us has to return their, has to refund their money. So actually we are losing our money, profit in that case. Okay, and money both. You guys mention over here. Okay, and if you let me show you how to do. For example, if you want to exclude someone from, for example, Africa, you may select one country over there like that and click on save close. In this case I'm not going to exclude anyone. that's fine. Okay, here item location, you have to mention exact the item location. In my case China, city it's also China. Okay guys, before you make a list item, just verify by quickly like that. See everything is okay. Okay, products are selected. Okay, description is there. Price is 59. Just verify. Okay, still you may modify later on, even though once you list the item. No worries. Fine. I'm happy with this. Boom, list item. Okay guys, success, you have listed your item for sale. So by clicking this URL, you can go to your item which is just now you listed. Okay, fine, right? For available, so 1595 will shift to UAE. Okay, China, shift to worldwide. You may pay by PayPal. Fine. The days returns, if you wish you may make no returns. Okay, fine guys, I hope this video will help, and thank you for watching.